conditions are favorable for the The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for New Haven County in southern Connecticut, Middlesex County in southern Connecticut, until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodbury Center, or near Southbury, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waterbury and Naugatuck around 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Walcott and Prospect around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Cheshire and Bethany around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Camden and North Haven around 9:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wallingford and Middlefield around 9:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Guilford and North Branford around 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Durham and Killingworth around 9:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Clinton and Chester around 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.